Dogecoin, Doge, has long been a favorite in the crypto space. According to the latest forecasts, Doge could yield as high as a 900% return until next year, transforming $320 into $3,200. But Rexas Finance, RXS, is taking the front stage with a daring forecast, reaching the same increases in 1 month. Supported by real-world use and quick pre-sale success, RXS offers investors a faster route to big gains. Dogecoin, Doge a 900% gain by next year. Long the favorite of crypto investors, Dogecoin's community-driven approach and meme-inspired roots explain why. Recently traded at $0.3393, Dogecoin has increased 2% in the past 24 hours and threefold in the past 3 months. Analysts estimate the token may gain 900% within a year and turn a $320 investment into $3,200. Dogecoin's history of exponential expansion during bull markets and its general acceptability as a low-cost investment choice help explain this positive estimate. This positive attitude has been driven by conjecture about additional adoption, including possible institutional use cases and possible integration with payment systems. Should the trend continue, Dogecoin might equal or surpass its all-time high of $0.73. Though these long-term opportunities are interesting, some investors seek alternatives with faster returns, like Rexas Finance, RXS. Rexas Finance, RXS turning $320 into $3,200 in a month. Rexas Finance, RXS, is emerging as a breakthrough platform connecting actual assets with blockchain technology. Its special value proposition lets users seamlessly and worldwide tokenize and own actual assets, from intellectual property to real estate. Investors seeking higher returns have paid great attention to this invention and its strong market performance. Currently at $0.175 in its 11th pre-sale stage as of writing, RXS has jumped almost 500% from its starting price, raising over $38.73 million. Analysts estimate RXS may rise 10x to $1.75 within the following month. Thus, a $320 investment would become $3,200 at record speed. The token's utility, solid roadmap, and expanding investor community drive such fast expansion. Unlike Dogecoin, which mostly depends on speculative hype, RXS has a clear use case and actual uses. Its CertiK audit has strengthened investor confidence, confirming its reputation as a respectable and safe investment. Dogecoin's continuous $1 million giveaway campaign has also drawn over 869,000 entries, increasing its profile and investor appeal. Though attractive in various ways, Dogecoin and Rexas Finance have interesting prospects for investors. With its established community and past price swings, Dogecoin still has great long-term potential. Its potential 900% gain by next year makes it an attractive option for those willing to wait for sustained growth. Rexas Finance provides the same 900% return over a far shorter period. Considering its creative approach to combining blockchain technology with actual assets, investors looking for faster returns should find RXS more tempting. Its potential as a game-changer in the crypto scene is highlighted by its rapid advancement of pre-sale stages and forecasts of a 10x spike. Rexas Finance has drawn interest in the industry for several reasons. Its ability to tokenize real-world assets has created fresh investment opportunities, enabling people to buy, sell, or fractionalize ownership easily. It distinguishes it from many other coins available on the market this utility provides. The CertiK audit has also been approved, guaranteeing that RXS satisfies high security criteria. This has increased investor confidence and helped RXS to stand out as a consistent substitute for more speculative coins. With $38.73 million raised thus far, the rapid increase in the pre-sale emphasizes the great demand for this coin. The $1 million giveaway has also greatly aided in boosting RXS's profile. The campaign has drawn hundreds of fresh investors and created great excitement, with 20 winners expected to receive RXS tokens worth $50,000 apiece. With its expected 10x monthly increase, RXS is quickly becoming a must-watch token in the cryptocurrency market. Conclusion: for investors considering Dogecoin or Rexas Finance, the decision ultimately comes down to their financial goals. Dogecoin's projected 900% increase by next year appeals to investors seeking stability, and it presents a proven track record of long-term development. Still, the possibility of earning the same return in 1 month with Rexas Finance, RXS, is rather enticing. Rexas Finance, RXS, can be the superior option for fast and significant gains.